Hi, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Thank you for joining me for this video. Today we have a very special unboxing because finally it's a very long overdue. We are unboxing my birthday bag. So my birthday was end of November, so it has been a long time. I have already opened the bag myself during Christmas, I have to admit that. But it was still very long overdue and I'm super excited this bag because let me tell you, this bag is my dream bag from Louis Vuitton. Like, it's my dream canvas bag, like a holy grail. The bag, like the perfection of the canvas bag. And I think everybody should have this bag. I think you all need to get it, so I want to share with you because it's a really special piece, I would say, from Louis Vuitton. And until now, it hasn't been spoken about much. Don't know why. Well, I have one idea. I think people think it's too expensive for a canvas bag, but I will tell you why I don't think it's too expensive for a canvas bag. Anyway, like in Louis Vuitton. Are we discussing prices there? So, happy birthday to me, and let's get into the bag, because if you follow my channel, you know that I have been talking about this bag since like September, and I actually made a special trip to Italy to get this bag, to secure the bag before my birthday and also before the price increase. And I eventually succeeded, and there was only one of them available in all 3 stores in Rome. I saw this bag since it came out, and it came out in the spring, somewhere around May, I think. It came out, and I saw it once, first time, I think in Palermo, and I looked at the bag, and I kind of liked it. I already liked it when I saw it on Foxy's LV Instagram. I thought, oh, that's a nice bag, but I wasn't planning for the bag. But when I saw it, I thought, look, that's a really nice bag. That's a really nice bag one day. And then the bag was growing on me. And guess what? When I wanted to buy the bag end of summer, when I was traveling through Italy, kind of on purpose going through Italy to get the bag was nowhere available. Then I went to Italy again, and I was rushing to get one that was the last one in the store, and I managed to get it, so I was very happy. And guess what? Next time I went for my birthday and I was traveling around, and I was in Louis Vuitton like 5 times. Every single time the bag was sitting on the shelf. This is called Murphy's Law. So let's not keep you any longer and let's get to the bag. I'm wondering if you have any clues about it. If you have been guessing which Louis Vuitton canvas bag I was so obsessed about. If you had, please let me know. So the ribbon wasn't tied very properly because I'm cheating a little because I opened it during Christmas. I couldn't wait any longer. So I did open it and use it a little, but we have to put the ribbon to make it special. So opening the box, here is the bag. So as you can see from the dust bag, it's not the smallest Louis Vuitton bag, which I think is one of the biggest pros of this bag. So, okay, let's do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, I got the new bag, which is called Marceau, in canvas with black leather. So yes, that was the baby I was looking for. That was the baby I was running after and trying to catch it. And finally I managed to do that. And why I think this is the best Louis Vuitton bag, the canvas bag, like not maybe, well, let me explain. So I think that this one is such an amazing bag because we have the very classic Louis Vuitton canvas in a very classic, elegant shaped bag. For me, perfection. You know, I like a classy, rather simple bag, which will be timeless, but I do like the monogram too. Like, I don't know, a logo or what, but I love it. And I like to have monogram, but most of the bags that I was buying, they are somehow casual. Actually, this gear, which is actually open here, it's kind of a little bit more elegant, which I loved about it. But this one is a pure elegance. To me, this bag is a classic flap from Louis Vuitton. I mean, it's a flap bag and it's a very classic shape. So, like, what else can I say? It's really perfection. It's a canvas perfection. So, well, probably the bag is relatively new, so I have to show you all the details. So let's move into this directly. So that's how the bag looks from the front. The side, it has on the sides like you know, Chanel classic flaps. It also has this kind of, you know, structure here, which doesn't bulge evenly on this bag. I looked at it in the shops later after I noticed this thing, and it seems like they have like variation in this place. I guess it's just kind of a natural thing, like natural variation. And on the back, it has a back pocket. That back pocket, I would say, it's not particularly usable. Well, for me, the usable back pocket is when you can put your phone in it. So this one is not very usable. However, you can put like your, I don't know, the metal card or something, like some receipts or some pieces of paper or like a ticket or something. Yes, you can. I wouldn't fit probably a passport here without bulging it out, so wouldn't do that. So the phone doesn't go here, so for me it's a kind of not a usable pocket. However, it's there, and if you have some other smaller items, you can definitely place them in. It has this very classic, is it called S-lock, the classic lock for Louis Vuitton. I took that sticker off already because I used the bag for a few days already, and it was just basically falling itself. And here it has also the sticker which I didn't remove, and we can do it together. So let's do it because it really wants to go and the bag wants to be mine. So here we go. Here we have a beautiful shiny hardware, and on the top I can see that there is already a big scratch here. Not that visible maybe, but a big scratch because somebody ran into me, and I think that's when it happened. Somebody on the airport ran into me, and I think that's when that happened. But, well, I have to live with it. So the bag comes with this black leather trim, and it also comes with a caramel leather trim. And you know me, anything which is kind of caramel, kind of warm tone brown. Not my color, doesn't go well with my face, doesn't go well because I'm very pale, blue eyes, and like it just doesn't. Like the warm colors, I cannot wear them pretty much. Neither I like them actually, so it's not a problem for me. So I wanted the one which is with black leather trim, and of course, like the leather is a treated leather, it's not vouchetta, and hallelujah, thank you very much. Finally, we have a bag which is very classic, has canvas, and doesn't have vouchetta, so we can basically use it. When we open it, it has one big compartment here, and it has a small zip compartment at the front as well. So I hope it shows. If not, then I will record those, you know, B-rolls or something like that, so you can see. It has a beautiful, beautiful chain. The chain, which I believe is like Felici-like chain, but much bigger and thicker, and it has finished with the leather strap, so it should be more comfortable on your shoulder. Probably it is. And what I think people are missing out about this bag, that this bag, yes, it's a canvas bag, but it's fully leather lined inside. Hello, hello. First of all, I didn't hear many people talking about this bag, and I think I've heard one person who was negative about it, and she was saying that it's not worth the, because the price, let's yeah, maybe stop on that. The price was 2,300 euro. I think after the price increase it went to 2,370. So it was not a massive price increase actually. If I knew that, maybe I wouldn't rush for this bag as much, but nevertheless 70 euro I saved still. I've heard this person, can't remember who was that, saying that it's not worth the price because it's 2,300 euro, and so on and so. No, hello, it is worth 2,300 euro because this one was like 150 euro cheaper or 100 euro cheaper, 150 I think. But this one has just material in it. This one is fully leather lined bag, which is much more quality, much more elegance. I appreciate a nice lining in a bag, which actually most of my bags, they don't have a nice lining. I think the designers, they could do a little bit better with the leather, with in general lining. Don't have to be actually leather, in my opinion. But something like is more expensive than some microfiber. Like I sometimes, especially Gucci bags, some of them, like I'm like, hello, like why are you charging, you know, 2K for a bag, and the bag has just some kind of raw looking material inside. But anyway, that's a whole another story, and I shouldn't go on a tangent with it. So I think I pretty quickly covered all the pros of this bag. So it's a canvas bag, it's a classic style, timeless, doesn't have vouchetta, has a treated leather, which you can get in the black and in the caramel color. It's fully lined with leather inside. It's big, you can fit a lot. You can fit your passport, your wallet, your 2 phones if you have to. Pretty much a lot, and if you like start to Tetris them, like puzzle in, you can fit much more. I actually didn't fit that much when I was wearing it because I'm starting to be like bored and tired of puzzling around my bags. I start to like a little bit bigger bags when I don't have to worry how I'm placing my items so they fit all. I kind of started like to have this, like I just open and drop it in and it's easy. But that's me. Of course I will still wear my smaller bags. They are not, you know, I bought them so I will use them, but now I kind of prefer this one. I don't have to. Okay, so let's take this one in and take this one. Okay, then here I have my wallet. Then, okay, we have to put it all back. So let's put it this and this. Okay, no, it has to be like this. I'm really tired of that. So I appreciate about this bag that the bare essentials that I need to carry, which is my wallet, my phone, my keys, something for my lips, my peels, migraine peels. Yeah, things like that, chewing gum, everything goes in, and it's actually still room there. Like it's easy to, you know, look around the bag. So that's one of the biggest, you know, things for me. As I said, it has this huge pocket here. I was actually often keeping my phone in this pocket because I like to keep my phone in a pocket which is separate, so I again don't have to shovel inside and, you know, trying to pick the right thing. It's just easy. You get in and then there is just phone. It also has a secret pocket. I call it the secret pocket here. And here we have that thing, the textile card, which says that exterior is coated fabric and co-height, and interior is co-height, and trim is also co-height. So it's actually there is more leather on this bag than the canvas, to be honest. And because people like to know where the bag was made, so this one was made in France. Oh, here's my birthday bag. It was very heavily handed, but you know how it is. When you are not interested, things are there. And when you try to buy it, they are not there. Nevertheless, I'm really glad I managed to score this bag and I secured this for my birthday, and I love it. What can I say? I love it. It's the perfect Louis Vuitton canvas bag, and I'm so glad that Louis Vuitton actually has made this bag, that they brought this style. I don't know why we didn't see it earlier even. It's just so nice. Like it has all the essentials. It's like just basically a timeless classic bag. And by the way, the bag also comes in empreinte leather, which I actually like almost all three versions. It's in full black, it's in turtley, this kind of nice beige, which I would like to have one bag in this beigey color, so maybe one day I will add one of these. And it also comes in a cream. All of them are nice, all of them I like. And I think I saw, I'm not sure if I am not mistaken, but I think I saw somewhere that this bag will come with some other colors here. If it would come with some other colors, or like if they would bring this bag in empreinte leather, like in blue, pink, like the bright colors, oh my goodness, like my money is all gone then. I'm buying all of them. Really love it. Just perfection. Perfection, canvas perfection. Completely obsessed, and I'm quite sure that this will be my most used bag because it's elegant and in canvas, and it's rainproof, or you know, it doesn't have bushera, so I can use it in Iceland with pretty much anything. It holds enough. What else can I say? It's just lovely, and I'm so glad I have it. And if you didn't know about this bag, I really recommend you to check it out. If you have not seen this bag, or you have maybe noticed it but you haven't, you know, tried it and paid attention or anything. If you are like me, that you like something timeless, something more classy, but you can still, you know, throw and go, run around with it, definitely have a look, try this on, and tell me what you think. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for spending some time with me. I hope you enjoy. Please let me know what you think about this bag, or more so if you have thought about it, if you have known about it, because I'm really curious how many people are aware that this bag actually exists, and that the bag is such a gem, in my opinion. Anyway, so once again, thank you for watching, thank you for spending some time with me. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, take care and don't forget to enjoy your life. Bye guys.